Hi, I'm Sheila, and I'm a trainer at the Bell Foundation. I'd like to share with you one of our recent great idea strategies called recasting. Recasting occurs during classroom conversations. It can take place in any subject area or with any year level and with any multilingual learner who is at any level of English language proficiency. So here's an example. During a science discussion, a child might say, "It bubbles. The water, it fog." Now the teacher can recast that by saying, "Yes, you're right. There are bubbles and the lime water turned cloudy." Recasting supports language development in three key ways. First, it affirms the contribution of the child. Second, it introduces new vocabulary. And third, it models correct sentence structure. It's a great strategy for busy teachers because it requires no preparation and over time becomes a natural part of everyday teaching.